Healing through crying and laughing.
Ever since I had a seizure a few years back, the medication I have been taking has put a strain on my physical health. Moreover, I'm going through menopause these days, and my overall health has become a huge issue, which in turn has negatively impacted my family. How am I able to solve this? Master, please teach me.
Start with avoiding complaints. Each and every one of us has the ability of solving their problems. Since you had the strength to come this far to listen to me, you also have the strength to heal. If you like the message carried by the lectures, then simply keep on listening. Difficulties unravel themselves when you enjoy what you do and you are able to have a laugh while at it. Laugh for at least 2 hours a day. It does not matter what's about. Through laughter, you can heal from any disease. Don't worry if people start saying that you got crazy. Keep on doing that. After 100 days, your illness will have disappeared. Also cry if you feel like you need to. Tears that are full of awareness of one's ignorance are even more effective than laughter. Do not think that by simply entering a hospital you are going to heal, but embrace your condition together with the mean comments that people might utter. In exchange, you will receive great strength. Anything that happens to you represents medicine for your soul. Anybody who listens to the law of nature and carries it in their heart will have a bright future.